All right, guys, we're picking up George right now. We're going to grab the diff. Sorry, we have a walking iceberg. What's up?
What's up, dude?
This shit is all snowy. All right, we're at Jason's. This is you got a Z diff welded, and I got my Miata diff welded. We're just gonna drop this off for him. That's fine. All right, here's the diff. Got the plate in there welded up. All right, guys, it's the next day. We're gonna throw this diff in. Hopefully nothing goes wrong here. Should be a pretty simple install. We're just gonna clean out with brake cleaner one more time, make sure all the slag's out and stuff, and then throw it back together. Alright guys, so the diff is seated in right now. I'm just going to put in the hangers right now that hold it up. I have all the bushings in and everything, so I'm just going to place this in, and it slides right in like that. You can't see this, but there's one big bolt that holds it in the middle, and then two small bolts, and that's for each side. So I'm just going to do this side, and then we're going to go to the other side. Alright guys, little update. The front is all bolted up. It's all the wires are up and everything. Diff is fully bolted in there. The only thing now that's left is I just gotta pop those axles back in, and my friend's gonna help me when he gets out of work. So we're just gonna do that, and then that's honestly pretty much it. Alright guys, Jonas will let me help. He's gonna help put the axle in.
Man, this shit in, right?
Yep. Alright, update. This axle will not go in the diff at all. We've been heating it, hammering it. This one went in pretty easy, and this side is all done. This side, as you can see, there's a little bit of gap between the axle and the diff, whereas it should be like this. So we're just trying to get that in.
Alright guys, so the Miata is now on the road.
Listen.
Okay, so the diff is grabbing that road. Oh my goodness. So anyways, we finally got that axle in that was giving us trouble. I ended up just air hammering it in, and so I guess it's good so far.
Yeah.
And then the oh my goodness.
Oh, I forgot this jacks. I haven't read that.
Yep. So yeah.
So basically, I didn't film it, but we got the axle with the air hammer, and then we just pumped diff fluid in and boring shit, so it doesn't matter. But it's all good to go. Obviously, it's running good now. Actually, we'll go down to the cul-de-sac, and I'll just do a circle around you so you can hear it, like show it.
Exactly.
So we're gonna do that.
Show you guys that this shit is no longer open.
Yeah.
She's welded, boys. Quick little skid for y'all. Yo, that was fucking dope. Drop down a leg for that respect. Homeboy got me in the fucking snow, man. Here, I'll push you. On, let me get on the. Here, I'll sit right here. Oh, homeboy got himself in a situation. Yeah, he came nice enough to get him out.
Alright guys, so I got a little cocky. I ripped a really tight corner and I have no ankle mod or anything, so the angle on Miata stock is terrible, so I just completely maxed out the angle. One in the snowbank was completely stuck, but actually two different people, I think they were together, like a work van and a truck. The guy was like, dude, I'll tow you out or whatever. He's super nice, so he just towed my car out. Really good dude. If you ever watch this video, shout out to you. You probably never will, but shout out you guys. Look at that cop leaving. But we're just getting some gas right now, so I'm gonna do a standstill edit. Alright guys, the Miata's back. Probably not going to drive for a little bit. I don't really like driving on the shit roads, but it did good today. Got some good little drifts and just testing out the diff. So if you guys like this video, give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.